Hello, this is Rozani. I just want to talk about the fact that masks in a word search are a huge topic this year, 2021. But it seems a little harder to search or to pinpoint the Masquerade wearable masks. I'd like to emphasize the types of masks that I make. These are handmade, wearable Masquerade masks. They're costume masks. They are masks for props or for decorative pieces. The very ones that we look forward to making, creating out of our own imaginations, and wearing to events, parties, festivals. It's a wonderful thing. Mask making of wearable costume masquerade masks is what I like to search for. So I'm hoping that some of these terms will help you as well in your search for this type of mask. Let's see, what types of words can we use to search? Are you looking for particular techniques? And how about the medium? Are you looking for something made out of paper, papier-mâché, or as we say, paper-mâché? Could it be made out of clay, paper clay? Maybe it's made out of fabric or leather. Did you want something made out of latex? What technique are you looking for? Was it sculpted? Was it traced? Was it printed? Things along those lines. What type of words do you use when you're looking for mask making? What specific types of words and word phrases are you using to find, for instance, a site like mine? I would be very curious to know, so please let me know in the comments below. Could it be the actual mask making process? Could it be working with perhaps the ingredients like liquid starch and recycled paper? I'm curious. Maybe you're a beginner. Maybe you're advanced. Maybe you would like to make and sell masks, or you just want to do demonstrations and show off your nice projects. You could also search for DIY, how-to, and similar topics. The more you narrow down your words and word phrases to a specific purpose, the easier and the quicker it will be to locate what you're looking for online. You can use words like Venetian mask, spooky mask, horror mask, happy mask, sad mask, comedy and tragedy, theatrical masks, and anything similar along those lines. Don't forget the occasion. It could be mask for a masquerade party, mask for a Renaissance festival, mask for cosplay. I hope that this will help you in your word search to find the type of mask that you are looking for. So until next time, I'd like to thank you for watching and also for subscribing to my channel. Bye for now.